Gereden service procedure. Gereden service is a movable service. It is often known as trolley service. It is a special kind of service when a waiter or server prepares food in a table in front of guests sitting beside. Generally, foods are pre-cooked in kitchen and then waiter does the final work. Gereden service needs high skill, great knowledge, pure concentration, and years of experience. Here in this free waiter training tutorial, we will learn some basic procedure on Gereden service. Certain qualities and attributes are expected from a waiter in carrying out his forms of service. It is as well to bear the following in mind at this stage. Taking the order, it has to remember first and foremost that you are a salesperson. You must sell the dishes, which will involve you in work at the table. Suggest the customer's item on the menu, this focusing attention in dishes. You may wish to sell. Use the carving trolley and sweet trolley as visual selling lead. You must always have a good knowledge of the menu so as to give good discipline to the guest of the dishes available. Recognition of the host is an important factor. Stand to left of the host, each guest should have won yourself for reference purpose. Do not position yourself too close to guest as this may cause embarrassment. Size up your host and guest according to ages, dues, and nature of the party. This should then give you some indications as to the type of dishes on may suggest. Take all order through the host. Try to ascertain the length of time available for the meal as this could determine the type of dishes sold. Warn customer of waiting times. Take note as to whether the party is all male or female. Always take the order as score as possible. Points to be kept in mind while doing Gereden service. Gereden service is job of chef who is also responsible for doing the service. Always push the Gereden trolley but don't pull it, helps the avoid accident. The Gereden should be kept in one position for the service for the complete course. The trolley should never be kept near the service door as it may be obstruction to the waiter. When more covers are being served, only the main dirt should be served in normal manner. Service spoon and fork are not used as is the silver service, but held with spoon in one hand and fork in the other. The filling or carving should not be done on silver dish, but on the carving board or hot joint plate. Dirty plates should always be cleared from the Gereden trolley.